السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. النهاردة إن شاء الله فيديو جديد بنشوف فيه حكم وأمثال نعرف معناها ونشوف أمثلة عليها من الأفلام. Don't judge a book by its cover. يعني ما تحكمش على الشخص أو على الشيء من مظهره الخارجي فقط، لأن ممكن يكون الجوهر بتاعه مختلف تماما. المظاهر خداعة، ما تتغرش بالشكل. ممكن يكون الشخص أو الشيء ده من جواه حاجة مختلفة. نشوف الأمثلة.
Is this the right address? This doesn't look like the building from Brian's presentation.
Come on, Quagmire. Never judge a book by its cover.
Uh-huh. Here it is. What is that? Come on, Starlight. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Look, I'm sorry, but, I always assumed Gordon, didn't have any interest in sports. You know what I'm saying?
Well, he does. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Let's say I was bald and had the complexion of a popular primary color. As a random, non-specific example, would you still enjoy my company?
Of course. You don't judge a book by its cover or a person from the outside.
Chicks like her have one thing on their mind, and you don't make enough of it to matter to her.
I can't judge a book by its cover. Yo, hold up. This is your Uncle Sick house?
Yo, this place needs a paint job.
Don't judge a book by its cover, Lexi.
Bite off more than you can chew. طبعا المعنى الحرفي لما واحد بيقطم قطمة كبيرة كده وما يقدرش يمضخها، كبيرة أكبر من اللي هو يقدر يتحملها. فالمثل ده بيتقال لحد لما يكون شايل أكتر من طاقته، أكتر من مقدرته، بيتحمل ما لا طاقة له به، عنده مهام كتيرة وأشياء كتيرة بيعملها أكتر من اللي هو مفروض يعمله، أكتر من طاقته.
I suppose it's just my job, you know. It's all these people dependent on me, tens of millions of dollars at stake. You know, it's sometimes I feel like I've bitten off more than I can chew. You know.
What exactly are you saying?
Maybe we can't handle this. Maybe we're biting off more than we can chew.
You see, I wanted a vice president who can manage Congress, not one who bites off more than he can chew.
It's clear to me that either Michael is on drugs or that he's bitten off more than he could chew.
Get out of here.
No. No, she wants to stay. I don't mind a little appetizer.
You ever heard the expression, biting off more than you can chew?
Better safe than sorry. الحذر أفضل من الندم. السلامة خير من الندامة. يعني نحرص على السلامة، نحرص على الأمن، أحسن ما نندم في الآخر.
No offense, guys, but I don't take bribes from strangers. You know, better safe than sorry. That's my motto.
Papa.
I know. Better be safe than sorry.
My shifu taught me not to act from fear.
Again, I'm so sorry for the false alarm. There's no tornado. You're free to leave.
Better safe than sorry, so no apologies.
Yes, but, well, we are apologizing.
I am absolutely not apologizing.
You sure you don't want something? Coffee, soda, something?
No, thank you, ma'am.
I feel kind of stupid about this whole thing.
Well, it's better safe than sorry.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's only 55 kilometers out of the way. Shouldn't be a problem. Better safe than sorry.
Where's Grandpa?
Well, it turns out that he was not well enough to travel after all. It's a shame.
Oh, I was really excited to meet him.
I know, but, better safe than sorry.
Better late than never. شوف، احنا مش مع التأخير طبعا. التأخير مش كويس، لكن لما تأتي متأخرا خير من ألا تأتي أبدا. يعني الحاجة لو تأخرت فيها أفضل من أنا ما أعملهاش خالص. التأخر أفضل من عدم القيام بأي شيء على الإطلاق. better late than never. متأخر بس أحسن من ما فيش. ما أنا مش مع كده طبعا، لكن أحسن من ما فيش.
Sorry to be so long, Kaz. But better late than never.
And what's your plan? How are you going to handle that?
I'm gonna take a deep breath and say, how can I help you through this? And then I'm gonna do a whole lot of listening. I got this.
Better late than never.
Hey. Better late than never, huh?
Daphne? Focus! Ugh, I wish I had that clue from Dastardly's ship.
You mean this thing?
Are you telling me you had that the whole time? Better late than never.
This is awesome!
I hope you don't mind, but we're all doing a little spring cleaning for you.
It's summer.
Oh, well, better late than never, right?
If it ain't broke don't fix it. يعني الحاجة طالما شغالة ملناش دعوة بيها، طالما بتقول سيبها، لا تصلح شيء ما خرب.
We're already hitting our recruiting targets. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. We're barely hitting it.
That's all we need, some outsider coming in here and changing everything. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
May I? Oh, yes, please, come in. Come in.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Not much redecorating in the past 8 years, I see.
Oh, yeah. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
I like that. It's like if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And even if it is broke, just ignore it, and maybe it'll be sort of okay.
Honey, I know that you don't like them, but you were the one that decided you wanted to wear them. And lucky for you, I have a spare. There. Hey, I know they are not fashion forward, but if it ain't broke, honey, don't fix it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right, Doc? Look, I'm not sure I like the tagline anymore. It's working too hard. Needs to be deadpan. I want to keep playing with it.
Well, cut it out, man. The copy's good. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
No news is good news. إذا ما في أخبار فهذا شيء صار. إذا لم تسمع شيء عن شخص أو شيء فهذا يعني أن كل شيء جيد وأن الأمور تسير على ما يرام. لا داعي للقلق.
There's nothing in the news about Daniel Monroe's death. They're keeping it quiet.
No news is good news, I suppose.
Maybe no news is good news. All right, maybe no news means bad news.
When it comes to Jessica, no news is no news.
Well, no news is good news, right?
Hospitals are the most depressing place on the planet, you know?
Hey, no news is good news, right?
He had no pulse, Mike.
So no news is bad news?
Well, according to my agents, Juna, no news is still good news.
Yeah, but it's been 2 weeks. I'm totally going out of my mind.
Eric, you got any cameras in the area we can look at?
On it.
Any word on Deeks?
Kenzie still hasn't checked in from the hospital.
No news is good news, right?
Well, maybe no news is good news.
Meaning?
Meaning maybe she's just not here. Maybe she's still okay.
Yeah, and what does your gut say?
Let's just see if there's anything else in her research.